What's up, guys? We back today, and today we're gonna talk about why athletes need vegetables. Why is this important? Why is it important that athletes can't just pound their gut with just meat, and white rice? Okay, for one, hydration is key. Keeping the flow moving for metabolism. Okay, with hydration, you should be going to the restroom a lot more. Okay, once, twice, maybe 3 times a day if you are really hydrated. All right, that's a really good indicator that you have really good hydration if you're constantly using the restroom. This is a key factor because if you are dehydrated, it limits your performance. Point blank period. Someone who is not well hydrated starts to plateau. Not only that, they can't perform long in during competition. It's just that. All right, 40% of what you eat, guys, should come from what you consume. So like I said before, you can't be pounding the gut with meat, and wild rice because it doesn't hydrate the body. It doesn't hydrate the muscles that you are using for performance. It may give you protein, it may give you carbs, but that's it. All right, you got to be able to move, you got to be able to flex, you got to have some kind of mobility, and hydration gives you that. Okay. The next thing, guys, is vitamins and minerals. So for an example, vitamin C, all right, it helps absorb iron for oxygen. Okay, the way I like to look at it, especially with these vitamins and minerals, is they're taxi cabs. All right, when you consume vegetables, when you consume all these vitamins and minerals, all right, they're taxi cabs. They go down, they see, hey, oh, I see protein and all these guys standing on the sidewalk, they need a ride. All right, so what happens is the vitamin C acts as a taxi cab, attaches itself to it, and it takes it to where it needs to go, whatever muscle group needs that vitamin and mineral. All right, so this is why this is really important that you are getting your vitamins and minerals by consuming vegetables. Okay, this is important because recovery and the repair of the cells and muscles after performance is really valuable if you want to grow. This is a building block for muscular growth and recuperation. Okay, so like I said before, even after you perform, even after you train, you have some kind of competition, it is really important that you are consuming vegetables and not just meat, not just these processed or white rice type carbs. Okay, bread. All right, it might fill you up, but it's not giving you the hydration that you need for more growth and more repair. I always used to, every time I perform, I know that it was just a workout. No matter what, no matter if it was training, no matter if it was a real game, I looked at it as I pushed my body to the limit. So this is my chance to help my body grow by putting in vegetables, things that's gonna help me grow for the next game. So that's something you gotta think about. Okay, and the last thing I want to talk about is nitrates, because nitrates is really interesting because they help increase the blood flow to the working muscles, and you don't get that all through meat and, like I said, bread and white rice. You get that through vegetables, and that's the only way you're gonna have a greater oxygen delivery for more output. All right, so an example is you see an athlete, you see he's performing and you're wondering why, how is he going this long? How is he able to go play after play or make play after play or do this and do that? His ability comes from being hydrated. He has some kind of hydration, whether it's water, 40% of the hydration comes from what he's consuming. All right, so he is able to perform at a high level and put out greater output because his muscles are lubricated. His muscles are able to flex, that he's able to be mobile and perform after play after play. All right, so just pay attention to that. A couple of vegetables, guys. It doesn't really matter to get vitamin C, to get these nutrients and vitamins. Kale, broccoli, bok choy, rocket, spinach, cauliflower, all these things are really good choices. Peppers, eggplant, All of these vegetables are really good because vegetables are filled with water, vitamins, and minerals. Okay, this is really important that you guys consume it. Just choose, comment down below some of your favorite vegetables, some of your favorite ways to hydrate the body and to keep the muscles going and flowing. Hey, this is Al5. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. And we just got done talking about why athletes need vegetables. So, hey, that's all I have for you guys today. Be back for another banger. Peace.